Hey everyone, so you ever had one of those lessons and you get a bit panicky and you have to pull over and you have to ground, yeah? Those this happens to, you'll know what I'm talking about. It's where you have to take a moment just to ground yourself back in. A lot of people know about the 5 things you can see, 5 things you can smell, 5 things you can touch kind of thing. There's another kind of thing you can use in the car itself when you're parked up safely. That's a key word, parked up safely. And that's what we're going to do today. Right then, so it just takes a couple of minutes, okay? And it is kind of, it brings you into the present. So it is a kind of in-car mindfulness, really. All right, so bear with me. And it might be something you'll be able to take away and put into your toolbox and use if you're having issues with slight panics, that kind of thing. It helps you ground, all right? So let's say it's happened, you parked up and it's nice and quiet around you and you're at a safe place. It could also be, though, right at the start of the lesson where you're getting the old sort of butterflies going. So you can get in the car, right? And you put your seatbelt on and you go, oh dear, all that roundabout's just happened. And you can get your feet flat on the floor. Now, guys, you can actually take your shoes off for this. Remember, the car's not going to move. You're in neutral, yeah, and you're not going to go anywhere. So, you know, you're going to push your feet into the carpet. You're going to feel what it feels like. If you want, take your shoes off, yeah? Your instructor won't mind. It won't be smelly for long, all right? And then dig your toes into the carpet. Is it really, really firm? Or is it really, really squishy? Are there soft parts? What does it feel like? All right? Okay. Now turn your attention to the seat and how the seat feels. Think about where the seat is supporting you, not just on your backside, but where does it support you? I can feel it on the backs of my legs here. I can actually feel it in my side, so on the side rests, each side. Stop me moving from side to side. All the way up my back because I'm sat properly, and if I put my head back a little bit, I can feel the headrest as well. So I can feel that I'm really, really supported in the seat. Now turn your attention to the seatbelt. Okay? Take hold of the seatbelt. I've got my microphone connected to this, just so it doesn't affect that. Take hold of the seatbelt. How does the seatbelt feel? Is it cold in places? Is it warm in places? Is it rough or smooth? Also then, outside of the seatbelt, what's it feel like? Rough, smooth. Now what's it feel like? Think about it. Really think about it when you're doing it. You're going to get your hands now because you're going to touch the steering wheel, right? And you touch the steering wheel hundreds of times. But do you know what it feels like? So think about it with your thumbs. What's it feel like on your thumbs there? And on the backs of your fingers. And run your fingers around it a little bit. On their little bumps, ridges. It's a really good one. With your thumbs, turn them to the inside of the steering wheel. What does that feel like? Inside the steering wheel there, yeah? Is it rough or smooth? Think about that. And then one final one. You need to make sure you're nice and parked up in a safe spot, okay? Doesn't matter if the engine's running because it's hot outside, you need the air conditioning. Just make sure you're in neutral. And then you're gonna unclip your seatbelt, but not all the way, you're just gonna pull it out a little bit and then you're gonna place it in. What does the click sound like? Really think about it. This is so different to my last car. So you get in. Mine has a click click. I'm not sure if you heard it. Let me take this off. Put that down there. Hear that? It clicks twice. Oh, I've lost my hamster. Put my hamster on because it's I've got air conditioning blowing against me. Sorry about that. You ran away. Okay. Things happen, right? And I like to get these things in the video as well because why? Because this is real, isn't it? This is real. Okay, so that's it. Just on that, in my last car, when I put it in, it was like a little, like rang a bit, ding. Anyway, I got to go off and do a lesson. Okay, this is something I do on the lesson as well that I've got coming up today. It's one thing they like quite a lot. Just to help them ground and give them a break, sort of give them 10 minutes just to ground after about half an hour or so. And taking little breaks is really important as well. So think on that. Right, I got to go. Drive safe. Stay safe, everybody. It's going to get warm again. See you soon.